Wait, don't scroll. If you have just 2 eggs and some cheese, this wrap will change your breakfast. Welcome back to African Village Flavors. If you're new here, welcome to our kitchen. Hit that like and subscribe. It truly helps us keep sharing simple, delicious recipes. Now, let's make this cheesy omelet wrap. We'll begin by cracking 2 fresh eggs into a bowl. Nothing fancy here, just simple, honest cooking. Now for seasoning, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and garlic to taste. Give it a gentle whisk until everything comes together nicely. You want the eggs smooth and airy. That's what gives us a soft omelet later. Next, let's prepare our vegetables. We start with tomatoes, diced into small cubes so they cook quickly and release their juices evenly. For those who don't like tomatoes, you can use red or yellow bell peppers, or for a healthy touch, you can use spinach. Let me know in the comments what else you can add in our omelet. Then we move on to spring onions, sliced thin for that fresh, slightly sweet flavor. Again, if you're not into spring onions, you can use some fried garlic or mushrooms for the savory and meaty taste. These are simple ingredients that you have in your kitchen, but when they come together, they create magic. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will have to try this cheesy omelet. Place a pan on medium heat and lightly brush it with cooking oil. Once the pan is warm, gently pour in your egg mixture. Don't rush this part. Let the eggs settle and spread naturally across the pan. We'll give it about 1 minute, just enough for the base to start setting. Before we go on, we're building a small cooking family here, so if this recipe speaks to you, like and subscribe to join us. Your support truly keeps this channel growing. Don't forget to share this video with friends. This is where the fun begins. On one side of the omelet, add your diced tomatoes. Don't spread them unevenly. Keep them tacked in on one side as I am doing, so that we can wrap our omelet with ease. Next, on another side, sprinkle your grated cheese. Be generous here. This is a cheesy omelet after all. If there is one thing that my family truly loves, is mozzarella cheese recipes. Give this a try and let me know in the comments section where you're watching us from. And on the last section, add your spring onions. Each section has its own flavor and we'll bring them together shortly. Cover the pan and let it cook on medium heat for about 2 minutes. This helps the cheese melt beautifully while keeping the omelet soft and fluffy. Now gently slice the omelet into sections. First, fold the spring onion side over the cheese. Then fold that over the tomatoes. And just like that, you've created a beautiful layered omelet wrap, cheesy, juicy, and full of flavor. Look at that, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for breakfast, a light lunch, or even a quick dinner. Let's slice our omelet and see how it looks inside. The aroma is mouth-watering. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and comment. And if you're new here, subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes every week. Your support truly means everything to us. Thanks for watching, and as always, may your kitchen be full of flavor and love. We'll see you in the next recipe.